Permutations and combinations, part 6.
Hi everyone, continuation of part 5. So see the next problem, second bit, fifth question. Find the number of numbers that are greater than 4000. So we have to form the numbers that are such type of numbers greater than 4000. That numbers can be formed using the digits 0 to 468 here without a repetition. See here, given digits. So what are the given digits? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So these are the given digits. Here we have to form the numbers that all numbers are greater than 4000. So clearly there are two possibilities. Okay. See our first case. We have to form the 4-digit number. So clearly 4-digit number is also greater than 4000. Formation of 4-digit number. 4-digited numbers. Okay. See here. So we have to take 4 blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, these all such type of numbers greater than 4000. So clearly you can fill the first place with either 4 or 6 or 8. Either 4 or 6 or 8. So then only that all numbers greater than 4000. For example, if you fill the first place with 2, but that number is less than 4000. Okay. So therefore, you fill the first place with either 4 or 6 or 8. So clearly there are 3 possibilities. Okay. So clearly it can be done in 3 ways. Okay. So clearly number of digits are 5. Out of 5 digits, 1 digit is filled with first place, and remaining 3 places, and remaining 4 digits. So therefore, the 4 digit can be filled in remaining 3 places in 4p3 ways. See here. So out of 5 digits, 1 is filled with the first place, and remaining digits are 4. So clearly it can be done in 4 ways, and this is 3 ways, and this is 3 ways. So clear this is what 4 into 3 into 2. So simply that can be written as 4p3. So therefore, the remaining places can be filled with remaining 4 digits. Remaining 4 digits. In how many ways? In 4p3 ways. Okay. See here. Therefore, the required number of ways, the required number of numbers or ways is equal to how many? Here 3 ways into 4p3. So 3 into 4p3. So here this is 3 into 4 into 3 into 2. So here this is 72. This is the first case, means formation of 4-digit numbers. And second case, 5-digit numbers. So we have to form the 5-digit numbers that are also greater than 4000. See here, clearly we have to take 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So clearly fill the first place with either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Then only that number is greater than 4000. So either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So clearly how many chances? 4 chances. So you fill the first place with either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So clearly there are 4 ways. There are 4 ways. And remaining 4 places can be filled with the remaining 4 digits in 4 factorial ways. Therefore, the remaining 4 places filled with remaining 4 digits. Okay. In how many ways? In 4 factorial ways. Okay. So therefore, the required number of members is here 4 into 4 factorial. That is 4 into 4 factorial is 24. This is 96. Therefore, total number of members which are greater than 4000, which are greater than 4000 is what? First case is 72, second case 96. So that is 72 plus 96. That is 168. So total 168 numbers are possible. So next see the sixth one. Find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word Monday. See here, given word. So what is the given word? Monday. So that no vowel occupies even place. We have to arrange the letters of the word Monday. Here, in that vowel occupies odd place means no vowel occupies even place. Okay. See here, number of vowels. How many vowels here? See here, O is vowel and E is vowel. Clearly, there are 2 vowels in given letter. And number of consonants. How many consonants here? 4. Okay. So total 6 letters. See here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 letters. So this is the odd place. This is even place. Odd place, even place. Odd place, even place. Okay. So there are 3 odd places, 3 even places. Here what is the condition? No vowel occupies even place. So clearly we have to arrange the 2 vowels in 3 odd places. Okay. See here. So since no vowel occupies even place, so therefore the number of arranging 2 vowels in 3 odd places. In how many ways? In 3 repeat ways. Okay, that is 3 into 2, 6 ways. Okay, so here there are 6 places. Out of 6 places, 2 places are filled with 2 vowels, and remaining places are 4, and here remaining consonants or remaining letters are 4. See here, therefore the number of ways of arranging the remaining consonants are 4 consonants in remaining places. In how many ways? 4 factorial ways. Okay. Therefore, the required arrangements is equal to what? 6 into 4 factorial. This is equal to 6 into 4 factorial. This is 6 into 4 factorial value is 24. Okay. This is, there are 144 arrangements. Okay. This is the required answer. So see the 7th one. Find the number of ways of arranging 5 different mathematics books, 4 different physics books, and 3 different chemistry books, such that the books of the same subjects are together. So you can arrange these 3 type of books. Here condition is what? The same subjects or books are come together. Okay. See here, given number of math books is equal to how many? 5, and the number of physics books, how many? 4. That all are different ones. And the number of chemistry books. So these 5, 4, 3, it all are different. Okay. Now here same subjects of books are come together. So first, see here, the number of ways of arranging the maths, physics, chemistry books in how many ways? 3 factorial ways. Okay. So see here. So there are 3 types of books: math, physics, chemistry. Here, in first place, we can arrange any one of the 3 types of books. So clearly, it can be done in 3 ways. So clearly, in second place, we can arrange the either physics books or chemistry books. So it can be done in 2 ways. Similarly, it can be done in 1 way. So this is what? 3 factorial ways. Okay. Now see here, same subjects of books are come together. So therefore, the number of arranging the 5 math books themselves, 5 math books themselves in 5 factorial ways. So see here, we have to take 5 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see here, 5 different math books, all math books are different. So we have 5 types. See here, we can arrange the first 2 places, any one of the 5 books. So it can be done in 5 ways. So out of 5 books, 1 book is filled with first place and remaining books are 4. So clearly, to fill the second place with remaining 4 books in 4 ways. Similarly, this is 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 ways. So clearly they can be arranged themselves in 5 factorial ways. So similarly, the number of arranging 4 different or 4 physics books themselves in 4 factorial ways. Okay. Next last one, the number of arranging 3 different chemistry books. 3 chemistry books. 3 chemistry books themselves in 3 factorial ways. Okay. So therefore the required number of ways. So clearly by fundamental principle of counting, you have to multiply all this. That is 3 factorial into 5 factorial into 4 factorial into 3 factorial. So this is the required answer. So see the next question. Find the number of 5-letter words. Here we have to form the 5-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word consider. See here, given word. So what is the given word here? Consider. Okay. So total number of letters. How many letters here? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. Next, how many of them begin with C? Next, how many of them end with R? And how many of them begin with C, end with R? See here. First, the number of arranging 5-letter word using the letters or using the 8 letters. In how many ways? Clearly 8p5 ways. Okay. See here. We have to form the 5-letter word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of letters are 8. So clearly you can fill the first place with any one of the 8 letters. So clearly they can be done in 8 ways. Out of the 8 letters, 1 letter filled with first place and remaining letters are 7. To fill the second place with the remaining 7 letters in 7 ways. Similarly, next 6 ways, 5 ways, 4 ways. So this can be written as 8p5. Okay. See here next. How many of them begin with C? See here the number of letters begin with C. Okay. See here we have to form the 5-letter word. Okay. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here these are such type of words begin with C only. So begin with C. So clearly we have to fill the remaining 4 places with remaining 7 letters. In how many ways? So clearly they can be done in 7p4 ways. So therefore clearly it can be done in how many ways? 7p4 ways. Okay. Next one. The number of letters end with R. End with R. See here. clearly we have to take 5 places. So because of you need to form the 5 letter word. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here these all such type of words end with R. So total number of letters are 8. Out of 8 letters, 1 letter is filled with the last place. And remaining letters are 7. And remaining places are how many? 4. So clearly it can be done in 74 ways. So therefore they can be done in 74 ways. And last one. The number of letters begin with C and with Y. Here the number of letters begin with C and with R. So here we have to take 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have to form the 5 letter words that all such type of words begin with C and with R. So clearly 3 places left. And here out of 8 letters, 2 letters occupies first place and last place. And remaining letters are 6. Here remaining places are 3. So clearly they can be done in 6p3 ways. So therefore they can be done in 6p3 ways. Okay. For next session we will discuss more problems.